9 da matina, o dia tá pra começar. Não acordo muito cedo, sou meio marajá. Batata doce, frango, dá coceira no cu.
So YouTube, it's Wilmatic here, and today's video I am going to try to install this shit, this power outlet thing, see, on my motorcycle. And where I'm gonna put it, what do I need it for? Well, I need it for charging my battery for my phone, just in case it dies, and other things I could probably use it for. I could probably charge my GoPro with it, because I had no extra battery yet for it. I could do other things with this shit. Well, anyways, I was thinking about putting it around here or somewhere, but I will find a spot for this shit, trust me, I will. Okay, for this project I'll be using wire, electrical tape, scissors, and some Scotch gear two-sided tape to stick it on the frame or the gas tank. Okay, let's get started here. First things first. I decided to change the wire because this wire's too thin, so came up with a thicker one. So I'm gonna use this thick one, and I already got both lines pre-cut, and I'm gonna run it through. Probably run it through here, there, and from here to here. So I'm gonna do that now. Run this wire through. I don't have a freaking tripod, but yeah. Well, I just ran the wire into there, into the gas tank. There go Jamar. He's gonna be famous with us, watch. That's the one I took the hentai and the ghost in Motor Rider's house. Put the link up right here. Right here on the top. Well, I'm here chatting with David Motorlog.
Never give up. Then go them. Yeah, never give up.
He's on Twitch right now.
Never give up. Okay, shut the fuck up, David.
And now I'm gonna connect this there, and cut this end here, and connect the piece there.
What? Who are you vlogging? Vlogging me or how do you?
I'm like, vlogging right now. I'm vlogging about.
How do you like vlogging?
David Motorlog on the Twitch on my cell phone. Oh, shit. This is for you, David. I'm motovlogging right now. I'm vlogging about putting a freaking one of these power outlets on my bike.
Hello, Wilmatic84. Subscribe to Wilmatic84.
Thank you, David.
Subscribe to
That's David Motovlog. Y'all, everybody subscribe to him. And I will put a link up.
Subscribe to Motorvirus and Hentai Kamioki.
Alright, so connected a wire, put it under the gas tank like I show you. Now connected a cable on the battery. Now the moment of truth. I haven't tested yet, so we're gonna try this thing. Oh, we have some power. Power. Now we have to try to test out the phone, see if it charges the phone. It should. Plug this USB port in here. Oh shit! It's charging the phone. It's charging the phone, buddy. Now we gotta just put the 3M tape and put it together and put all this shit back together. Oh, there you have it, fellas. My installation for my power pack. I can charge my cell phone, GPS, cameras. Anything that uses USB, I could charge it with. Did a little quick installation. That concludes my video. Give a shout out to David's Motovlog for giving me a shout out through my video. And give a shout out to Psycho Cruiser with his bug out van. It's coming out okay, man. Coming out good. Fucking bug out van, man. Give a shout out to you, man.
And Flutter Up Outdoor Adventures for sending me a sticker. Thank you, bro.
Hope you like, subscribe, and share. Peace.